Hello and welcome to French Made Fun. Today we'll be expanding our French vocabulary by learning 20 new words that are very commonly used in the French language. Mind you, these are not just any words, but feminine nouns in particular, which is why they are preceded with the article une, meaning as you can see on the screen. If you're not quite sure about the significance of the article une here, or why it's being used to remember these words in the first place, I recommend you to check out my video on indefinite and definite articles, the link to which you will find on the top right corner of the screen. However, if you're thorough with that concept, let's dive right into learning these 20 words. Starting with une école, which means a school, une directrice, a director or principal, une amie, a friend who is female. Une amie here has an E in the end as opposed to un ami, which means a male friend. Une étudiante, a female student. Une règle, a rule. Une gomme, an eraser. Une clé, a key. Une porte, a door. Une radio, a radio. Une image, an image or picture. Une femme, a woman. Une fille, a girl or daughter. Une fenêtre, a window. Une horloge, a wall clock. Une trousse, a compass box. Une serviette, which could mean a bag, a briefcase, a napkin, or a towel. Une craie, a chalk. Une table, a table. And une chaise, a chair. Let's go over these words once more. Une école, a school. Une directrice, a director or principal who's female. Une amie, a female friend. Une étudiante, a female student. Une règle, a rule. Une gomme, an eraser. Une clé, a key. Une porte, a door. Une radio, a radio. Une image, an image or picture. Une femme, a woman. Une fille, a girl or daughter. Une fenêtre, a window. Une horloge, a wall clock. Une trousse, a compass box. Une serviette, a bag, briefcase, napkin or towel. Une craie, a chalk. Une table, a table. Une chaise, a chair. Please add these words to your vocabulary as they will help you tremendously in everyday conversations. Like this video, comment down below if there's any topic you'd like me to cover next, and subscribe to the channel to stay notified when the next video drops. Au revoir.